I think it is comical. Oh my God, that these bitches, chiropractors, are hurting so bad that they got to get adjusted every other day.
So
And they are hurting too. I guarantee you.
Like in your mind.
Yeah, definitely. This is so much easier. I can see like my bones without the muscle on top.
It's like,
And it really does line up.
I know, I can't believe it. Like, total shout out to whoever made these. Even if it's like, oh yeah.
Okay, your bones are back.
She don't know shit about
Thanks.
putting anything back in place. But now she's fixing to.
Is it straighter now? Let's see.
Oh, see, now listen.
A little more level.
A little more level.
Yeah, scapulas are even now. Perfect. Here, let me adjust the extra.
You know what? I can fix it. I can know it's straight.
All right.
Let's see. I think we should require people to wear this.
Here we go.
So I can see your sacrum perfectly here. And it's actually, so your pelvis on this side is actually posterior. So kind of, oh, let me move this. You're kind of like, so you're stuck like this. Can you see that? It's like, she's actually kind of stuck like that. So
What was she talking about?
sacrum is
Rewind.
actually back towards me that way a little bit. So we're gonna push that back in that position.
She don't know nothing about anatomy to make that kind of a determination. I can guarantee you that.
Did you?
Yeah, I was like, hey, your first rib's out. Let me show you where that is.
That's amazing.
It was fun.
So let's see if this is anatomically correct. So we got like L5, 4.
Your focus is on the spine.
It might be, yeah.
Sacrum is also part of the spine.
Oh, yeah. I mean, unless you have 13 ribs, they're definitely missing a vertebra here, but it's okay. Not everybody is the same, so you could just be anatomically
I
different.
have a couple anomalies.
Yeah. So right here is your thoracolumbar junction, where your thoracic spine and your lumbar spine come together, where your bottom ribs are here too. And we're going to put some motion into there. So you're gonna take a deep breath in, breathe out all the way. Good. Stay relaxed there.
Focusing. She's gonna holler and whoop too. Listen to her.
And these, I'm going to teach everybody what's going on here. So these are the transverse processes of each vertebra, the things that look like little wings. And it is where the ribs come in and connect to them. And so when we're adjusting people, there's a couple ways to do it, but most of the time we're adjusting on the transverse processes that are right here. I should say processes. So like in here like this. It is not very comfortable to adjust right over the spinous processes, which actually on this outfit you can't really. It's a little bit weird. These little things right here. But oh yeah, you got lots of misalignments in here.
She's
so take a
popping.
deep breath in again,
She's popping.
And then breathe out all the way. All right.
All right.
Amazing.
It's like, oh my God, really?
So your scapula, these are shoulder blades.
I never seen this before. This is kind of crazy if you ask me. Like, what the fuck?
What I'm actually gonna do. So I'm gonna do a drop right.
They just
here,
want to pop
okay?
everything, get adjustments. Oh, that's what they do. They don't understand that an adjustment is a specific
A
correction.
little bit of motion into her right shoulder blade, her right scapula. All right. A lot of motion actually, but you're good. And then let's see. Oh man, that's super compressed right there. Ugh, not even lined up at all. I couldn't even line up the zipper. Okay. All right.
Yep, focusing on the spine.
So her first rib. Yeah,
Yeah.
right on there. We're gonna push that down, and then we're gonna adjust her cervicals, which are right here. Oh, there we go.
Yep, listen to that. Like to have seen her face on that one. Fixing to get in one just like it.
Perfect.
Yep. Oh, perfect. Yeah.
And these space buns are awesome for adjusting too.
Oh my God.
Go ahead and turn over in my face.
Wow. It's coming back up. Here we go.
Okay, let's see.
This is Dr. Kelsey. Apparently she works in Seidenberg's clinic. So they adjust each other because they're trying to bring in patients to let them know, hey, it's okay.
Like, ever just
Yeah.
hear from a guy neglecting your feet? This is. Hold on.
I'm trying to get the people to see that these people don't know what they're doing, and there are many reasons why. But let me explain first and foremost, the reason that's most prominent is that they are hurting. They are hurting so bad that they have to get adjusted so frequently from their colleagues that, you know, oh
These
my
are
God,
very,
they've got to have
silly.
it.
I'm gonna pull you off the table onto the
They're
floor.
slipperier than scrubs.
Yeah.
Oh, it's crackalicious. You know, they sell that crap.
So the only thing that's off here a little bit, maybe it's not you, maybe it's the outfit, is this is actually how this looks.
I'm a little shorter than my
Yeah.
suit.
Is are mine? Oh yeah, mine are not very tall either.
You dropped the pillow.
That's actually there.
Got to give a reason to do everything they do. The reason why they do everything they do is because they truly don't know what they're doing.
Okay, let me
So they
check
just
your
do
outfit.
everything, hoping for anything.
Give me so. You good?
You're good here.
It's like, oh my
So
God.
cool. So it has like a heart.
You do not
Yeah,
go.
it's the only organ that like.
It's the only one that matters. This is the only
Yes.
chiropractic organ that matters. Is the heart. Because we have big ones.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yes. We're just basically a heart and a skeleton.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
They are cheats and thieves is what they are. Ignorant as well. My 2 cents. But there's reasoning behind that criticism.
Check that side too.
So they're snot, crackle, pop, according to Johnson, to elicit a response into the brain in order to get a response back to let the brain know where the body's at. Thing is that happens all the time, every second of every day. They don't need to go and assault the joints in order to get the brain to understand what's going on and where it is in space. That's the point. And they do this. Oh, they're practicing adjustments. They're doing adjustments to get what? Opiate responses, because people are hurting because the joints that they need to be fixing, they're not addressing. And here we go. This is the $1 million role.
Mine came out super
Yeah, that's not too bad.
They're looking for pops.
Check this. Just something.
Did you want to adjust yourself?
I
some?
just did.
I've been telling them, hey, by the way, best adjustment is one that doesn't go pop. They're going to try to shift it over. Watch and see. That's why I'm keeping you posted as to what's going on and who's saying what to who.
Let me do this actually. Take a deep breath in. Don't breathe out.
And I have criticized.
Oh. All right, you want to step and see how symmetrical
I'm
we are?
alive.
I know. How are we doing?
Good. Do I look even?
Yeah, I think you do. Do I look even?
I think you do.
Look how even we look to me.
Yeah, right. They're so funny. I would like to be in the room to assess. I would like to be in the room to assess. To assess. I would like to be in the room to assess exactly what is the issue with their bodies, and their bodies being not what they're focusing on. And I can tell you before and after, and as can anybody in the room, with me defining the landmarks clearly and obviously, the difference between before and after, and they're not even close. Not even close.